Hello students, welcome back again in the practical session of plant physiology and plant ecology of BSc final year botany. Today I am going to demonstrate here the experiment, and the aim of the experiment is to demonstrate the antagonism of salt. Earlier we had seen the effect of temperature and organic solvent on permeability of plasma membrane. Now this is the second one, that is to demonstrate the mechanism of antagonism of salt. Okay. Now what exactly is the antagonism? Okay. So see, simply when two potent molecule of equal but opposite charges, they met together, they nullify the effect of each other. Okay. So when there are two components or compounds having the equal charges, when we mix together in equal quantity, they used to nullify or make the effect zero, okay, neutral, or they neutralize the effect of one another. So that we have to prove by the experiment. Okay. For this experiment you required 3 beakers, 2 salt solutions, bright colored flower petals, and distilled water. Okay. Now what you have to do in the procedure, you have to take 3 beakers, clean beakers. I have taken 3 beakers, first, second and third one. Okay, you can observe it. Now after cleaning it, you have to label it as per your requirement. Now what you required here, you require 2 salts. Okay, now we are going to take here 2 salts. First is NaCl and second one is the CaCl2. Okay, then make the 10% solution of each salt, 10% of NaCl and 10% solution of the CaCl2. Okay. Now how you will make 10% solution? You have to just dissolve 10 gram of that particular salt solution into the 100 ml of distilled water. Okay. By that you have to make the solution. Now how you will take this reagent? In the first one, you have to take around 10 ml or suppose 20 ml of NaCl. In the second beaker, you have to take 20 ml of CaCl2. Yes. Then in the third one, you have to take mixture 10 ml of NaCl and 10 ml of CaCl2. Likewise. Okay. So in the first one, 20 ml of NaCl, second one 20 ml of CaCl2. In the third one, we are going to take 10 ml of NaCl and 10 ml of CaCl2, equal quantity of both the salts. Okay. Now in that you have to pour bright colored flower petals. Okay, few in each one of these, and then you have to keep this assembly as it is for about 20 to 30 minutes. How much? For about 20 to 30 minutes as it is, with random stirring, and observe the results what you are going to see in the first beaker, second beaker and the third beaker. Okay. Now after 30 minutes you will find that what will be the results. After about 30 minutes you will get the results likewise. In the first beaker, which contains 20 ml NaCl, and in that you had put the flower petals. Okay, I had put here the flower petals of a colorful plant. Now here you observe that the color petals become colorless and the entire color is now immersed into the सॉल्वेंट NaCl का जो सोल्यूशन था उसमें पूरा का पूरा कलर उसका उतर गया है. ओके, द सेम केसेस हैपेंड विद द बीकर नंबर 2 वेयर वी हैड टेकन द CaCl2. ओके, दिस वन, see the petals become colorless and the solvent become colored. Okay, but when we see the third one where we have taken the 10 ml of NaCl and 10 ml of CaCl2, both the solutions, both the salt solutions, even though both salts are there, they are not showing any type of reactions. The solution doesn't make that particular petal colorless. Okay, you are not seeing that this particular solvent is colorful. Okay, as in case of the first two, the entire solvent or the salt solution become colored because the colors from the petals it is immersed in the salt solution. But here there is no such reaction. Then what will be happening in this particular case? Exactly, the NaCl counteract the effect of the CaCl2 or both. Okay, because both has equal charge and we have taken it in the equal quantity, so they shows the mechanism of antagonism. They nullify the effect of one another. Okay, so by this we can prove that when two compounds which are having equal and opposite charge, they mix together, they shows antagonism. And here we have taken the two salts, so it is the antagonism of salts. Okay, now this is for your reference. First beaker NaCl, second beaker again colorful CaCl2, and the third beaker which is not having colorful solution. It is the mixture of NaCl and CaCl2 in equal quantity or equal volume. Okay, now we will see how to write this particular experiment in the record. Okay, now what you have to do, on the writing page you have to give the heading as M. Okay, what you will write at the M? To demonstrate the antagonism of salt. Okay, now you have to write what exactly the antagonism is. Okay, that I had already explained. Okay, then you have to write the requirement. What you required for this experiment? You required three beakers. Okay, you require two salts. We have taken the NaCl and CaCl2. Okay, then you require the distilled water. You have to make the 10% solution of NaCl, again 10% solution of the CaCl2. That much requirement should be there. You require again the bright color petals, which we use for this experimentation. Okay, so this is your requirement. Now what you have to do in the procedure, you have done in the procedure. Okay, you have taken the beakers, you have cleaned the beakers. Okay, you have labeled the beakers as the A, B, C, or you can say the beaker with NaCl, second beaker with CaCl2, and third beaker with the NaCl plus CaCl2 in the equal quantity. So that you have to label it, and then in the first one you have to pour the 20 ml NaCl, second 20 ml CaCl2, and in third one you have to pour the 10 ml NaCl and 10 ml CaCl2. Okay, then you have to put 4-5 petals of bright colored petals in each of this beaker, and then keep this particular setup as it is for about 20 to 30 minutes and then observe it. Then what you have, this is your procedure. Now you have to write down the observation and result. So what you will write? In the first one, suppose you had given the name A or NaCl. So in the first beaker, you observe that the petals become colorless. Okay. In the second one, the petals become again colorless. In the third one, the petal color is as it is. These are your observations. Okay. And what exactly happens in this particular case? Here NaCl in excess in first one, in second one NaCl in again excess. Okay. These two salts in excess, when they are present in excess amount, they damage the plasma membrane. Okay. And due to that, whatever the plastids are, chromatophores are there in the petals, they came out in the salt solution. Okay. And the petals become colorless. But here the effect of NaCl is counteracted by the effect of CaCl2 or vice versa. Okay. Because both having the equal charge, equal and opposite charge, and having the equal quantity. Okay. So they nullify the effect of one another. That is called as the antagonism. I hope you understand this. In your drawing page, you have to write down the aim, then you have to write down the object requirement, and then you have to draw these three diagrams. Okay. Beaker with NaCl, beaker with CaCl2, and beaker with NaCl plus CaCl2. Then petals you have to label as petals when you immerse the petals. Then solution become colored, or the petals become colorless. In the second one, you have to draw the petals become again colorless and petals as it is. Okay. And whatever you written as the observation on result in the writing pages, as it is, you have to write down on the drawing pages also. So this is this small experiment number 2. I think you had followed the basics of this particular one and procedure of this particular experimentation. Okay. We will meet again with the another experiment. Thank you.